Recently, Microsoft has put out an update to Windows 8 called Windows 8.1. One of the most anticipated changes to Windows 8.1 is the reintroduction of the Start button. Now, it might not be quite the Start button like you remember from different versions of Windows, but it does add some functionality to Windows 8.1. So this is Paul, one of the techs at Micro Center. Today we're going to take a look at some of the features of the new Start button and how it adds functionality to your Windows 8 experience. Let's get started. So today we're going to look at one of the features of Windows 8.1. It's a feature that people have been waiting very anxiously for. It's the return of the Start button. Now, before you get too excited, it is the return of a Start button. It's not quite the Start button that you're used to, but let's go ahead and look at the functionality that has now been added to Windows 8.1. So I'm going to go over into the desktop app. As you see, now we have a little Start button down here. When you click this, it'll throw you right into the onto the Start screen. So you can go back and forth. But that's not actually all it does. It does have a few other functions. If you right-click on it, you can now shut down with the button as opposed to going back to the Start screen. You can go to Run, Search, and if you click on Search, it's the same thing as if you go over to your Search charm over from the right-hand side. Pull that back up again. File Explorer. That's just going to give you your old My Computer view, which is going to show you the C drive and all the other drives attached to the computer. Control panel, obviously it's just going to go right to Control Panel. So there is some functionality added. It's just not exactly what I think people were probably expecting, but it's still an improvement. Task Manager you can now pull up from there. So this is a right click. Remember that. Command Prompt, Computer Management. Most of this stuff up here is going to be things that are found in Control Panel. Programs and Features really just goes to what used to be called add and remove programs. It's a little quicker. Like I said, most of these top choices are choices that all would be available from Control Panel. So they're just removing a few steps. I think the one that's going to be most welcome is shut down or sign out. But that's a brief overview of the new Start button in Windows 8.1. If you have any other questions, come visit us at www.microcentertech.com or visit our no-wait chat service at chat.microcentertech.com.